when you're playing a tournament like IPL or when you're playing a format like 2020, each and every over of an opponent bowler becomes very crucial. So at that moment, I thought that Maxwell was bowling is an off spinner. So I'm a right-handed batsman and I was striking it really well. So I just wanted to face maximum number of deliveries of Maxwell as possible to score the maximum amount of runs. I was just thinking about hitting those 3 to 4 sixes in those five or six balls. So that's why I didn't take a single. I think with Rahul Tewatia being a left-hander and he was not at his right form at that moment of his innings, so I thought that's a good decision to take, and that 1 or 2 sixes are going to change the match. So I was confident that I can hit those sixes. I'm not sure. I think I only thing I'm sure is that I'm in a good form. I'm winning matches for my team, and that's what I've been really preparing myself throughout my career. I think only dream I have is to win matches for my team, any team I play for. I think that's what it's happening right now, and I should keep my focus here and focus on the IPL right now. I'm not at all sure about that. I think MS Dhoni, no one can play like him, or no one should try playing like him. That's what I would like to suggest anyone. It's not at all easy to play like MS Dhoni or think to play like MS Dhoni. I think we should leave him aside. He's one of the best finishers or best cricketers to ever play this wonderful game. So I never think about me playing like MS Dhoni. What I really love to be is like be myself, or understand what is Sanju Samson and just be myself whenever I play a game. One amazing experience happened. I think when I was in the gym with the Indian team, I was with training with Virat Bhai. So I just asked him, I think how is his training routines, or why does he put so much energy into fitness and all those things. I keep on asking him a lot of different questions, and then he told me that Sanju, how many years are you going to play? So I said, we are मैं 25 का हूँ. I think I can play around 10 more years or something like that. Then he told, I think तू 10 साल बाद तो कुछ भी कर सकता है. तू तेरे को केरला का खाना खाना है, तू कुछ भी खा सकता है, जो मन करे कर सकता है. But this 10 years, you won't be able to play cricket after this 10 years. So why don't you give everything, whatever you have in this 10 years? I think that really changed my perspective towards my dedication towards cricket. I was already dedicated. I used to give everything, but there was something more which I could have given. So I was really happy to hear that from him. I think I'm in a very good space mentally and physically. I'm very ready and eager to go. I think we're just going for our practice today. So I think definitely when you keep on playing different opponents, I think you keep on changing your plans. When you're playing in different venues, I think we are playing in Dubai tomorrow, so there are bigger grounds, so you need to change your game plans accordingly. So yes, preparation wise, game plan wise, everything is spot on. I think we have very smart guys here in our team management. I would like to say that I was spending a lot of time with our video analyst, whose name is Manish Shetty. I think I have closely worked with him from last 4 to 5 months, thinking about my game and talking a lot about opponents like KKR or Punjab or Chennai, or how do the bowlers come and bowl to me, or how are they trying to get me out. So spending a lot of time with quality people like Manish Shetty, the video analyst we have, I think that has really improved my cricketing brain and cricketing sense. And I think I'm in right hands. I think we are ready for the next game.